Welcome to the integers video from mathcelebrity.com. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through what is an integer, what do integers include, what do they not include, integer notation, and if you stick around until the end of the video, I've got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you how to ask and find out any number, if it's an integer or not, in less than a split second for free. So with that said, let's get started. An integer is a positive or negative whole number, including 0, that can be written without a fractional piece. Now, how do we represent integers? If you see this little symbol here, double line Z, that represents the set of all integers. Now, it's important to note that integers extend from, but do not include, negative infinity and positive infinity. So what do integers include? Well, they include the natural or counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, towards positive infinity. They include whole numbers, which is also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and positive infinity. And they also include negative counting numbers, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on through negative infinity. What do integers not include? Well, they don't include rational numbers like fractions or decimals. They do not include irrational numbers like pi, Euler's number, square root of 2. They don't include positive infinity. They don't include negative infinity. And they don't include imaginary numbers like I equal the square root of 1. Now let's look at some properties of integers. Positive integers are to the right of 0 on a number line. Negative integers are to the left of 0 on a number line. As we move right on the number line, integers increase in value. As we move left on the number line, integers decrease in value. Now it's important to note, again, integers extend infinitely but do not include infinity. And any non-zero integer is either negative or positive, with the exception of 0, of course. So if you want to learn more about properties of integers and you're on our page, you could just click this link here and it will show you every integer property with a lesson attached as well as a calculator. And now for the grand finale. I promised you at the beginning of this video, if you stuck around, you could find a way in a split second how to ask if any number is an integer or not. So you can go in this box here, and you can ask something like, is 15 an integer? You click return, and it will walk you through all these tests: natural numbers, rational numbers, irrational. But if you scroll here towards the bottom, we do an integer test. And no matter what you put in that box when you ask to find out if it's an integer, it will tell you yes or no, as well as why. Why it's an integer or why it's not an integer. So I want to thank you for sticking around watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.